Hello students, today we'll discuss about class 9 math polynomial RS Aggarwal exercise 2a. Okay, look at the question exercise 2a. What is the question is asking? Question is asking which of the following expression are polynomials. In case of a polynomial, write its degree. Okay, so one by one we are going to discuss question number 1. First question I'm writing, that is I, that is x to the power 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus root 3. Okay, so you have to find out whether this expression is a polynomial or not. If yes, then find out its degree. Okay, so now look at here, you have to check the power part of the variable. So now here, this is the power part of this variable x, this one, this is the power part of this variable x, and this is nothing power, means x to the power 1 is here. Okay, and this is a constant term. So here obviously yes, it is a what? Polynomial. So what you have write over here, that is the power part is a positive integer, as the power part of the variable is a positive integer, a whole number, so that is why it is called as a polynomial. Yes, it is a what? Polynomial. ठीक है. Then what is its degree? इसका degree क्या रहेगा? So degree means there is the highest power of the variable. So which one is the highest power of the variable? Obviously 5. ठीक है. The highest power of the variable is what? 5. So आपका answer, so degree क्या रहेगा? 5. 5 is your answer. Okay, fine. ठीक है. So now next move on to the VI questions. Now move on to the VI questions. What is that question is asking? X to the power minus 2 plus 2x to the power minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so we have to check whether this one is a polynomial or not. Okay, so now the logic is that you have to check the power part of the variable. So now look at here, the power part of the variable is minus 2. Here the power part of the variable is what? Minus 1. Okay, which one is a negative integer? So the logic is saying that the power part of the variable should be a positive integer, means should be a whole number. Fine. So now here the power part of the variable x is what? Minus 2 here, and the power part of the x is minus 1 is here. So minus 2 is a negative integer, minus 1 is a negative integer. Okay, so that is why no, it is not a polynomial. Okay, it is not a polynomial. ठीक है. सो तो पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होगा तो इसका डिग्री तो निकाल नहीं सकते. यू कैनॉट फाइंड आउट द डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल बिकॉज इट इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, सो आंसर इज नो, इट इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, फाइन. So now move on to the next question, that is BII. Okay, so now the BII, it is what? It is 1. Okay, so the BII questions. So now look at here, this is the BII question. The BII question is what? 1. Okay, so there is 1. 1 is a what? Constant polynomial. Okay, so 1 is a what? Constant polynomial. So how can I write 1? So 1 is called as a what? Constant polynomial. How can I write that is 1 into x to the power 0? Yeah, obviously this is called as a what? Polynomial. Yes, it is a what? Polynomial. What type of polynomial? Constant polynomial. Yes, it is a what? Polynomial, that is constant polynomial. ठीक है. तो क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग डिग्री. इसका डिग्री क्या रहेगा? आंसर क्या रहेगा आपका? तो डिग्री क्या है? 0 है. फाइन. ओके, तो दैट मीन्स 1 you can also write in this way, that is 1 into x to the power 0. So x is a variable and power is what? 0. Okay, so that is 0 is the power of the variable x. So 0 is a whole number. Fine. So that means the power of the variable should be a whole number. Yes, it is a what? Polynomial. And the degree is what? 0. Yes. Fine. Okay, so now move on to the next question, that is xi. I am doing xi. Okay, so the xi is what? That is 1 by 2x square. Now see, 1 by 2x square. So here you have to check whether this one is a polynomial or not. How can you check? Look at here, 1 by 2x square. That means you can also write 1 by 2x square. You can also write x to the power minus 2 here. So that means 1 by 2x square can be written like this, 1 by 2x to the power minus 2. Fine. So that means here how because x square is the denominator, and if you're writing in numerator form, so that means it should be x to the power minus 2. Fine. So that means look at here, 1 by 2 x to the power minus 2. The x is the variable, and here minus 2 is the power of the variable. So minus 2 is a what? Negative integer. Minus 2 is a what? Negative integer. So that is why no, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. सो तो पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होगा तो इसका डिग्री फाइनल नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर क्या है? नो, इट इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल. ओके फाइन. सो नाउ मूव ऑन टू द x triple I. x triple I. Okay, x triple I. Okay, the question is 3 by 5 x square minus 7 by 3 x plus 9. Very interesting question. 3 by 5 x square minus 7 by 3x plus 9. Okay, so now look at here. Okay, you have to check the variable and its corresponding power part. Look at here. So this can also be written like this: 3 by 5 x square minus 7 by 3 x means x to the power 1 plus 9. ठीक है. So now look at the power part of the variable. So x is the variable, power part is what? 2, positive integer. X is the variable, power part is what? 1, positive integer. Yes. So here 2 is a positive integer, 1 is also a positive integer, that means whole number. So that is why you have to say yes, it is a polynomial. ठीक है, polynomial. ठीक है, तो ये polynomial हो गया. Yes, it is a what? Polynomial. तो अगर ये polynomial हो गया तो इन्हें इसका डिग्री क्या है? डिग्री क्या है? डिग्री क्या है? What is the meaning of degree? Degree means that is the highest power of the variable. तो हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल क्या है? 2 है. सो ऑब्वियसली आंसर आपका क्या हो जाएगा? डिग्री 2 है. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? फाइन. ओके फाइन, गुड. सो नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दैट इज लुक एट योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्स भी. ओके, सो आई एम डूइंग द एक्स भी क्वेश्चन हियर आई एम राइटिंग एक्स भी. क्वेश्चन इज 2x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर plus root x minus 1. Okay, this is the question. That is 2x cube plus 3x square plus root x minus 1. Okay, fine. So this is the question. Okay, you have to check whether this one is a polynomial or not. Okay, how can we check? So now look at here, 2x cube plus 3x square plus root x minus 1. Okay, so this can also be written as 2x cube plus 3x square plus root x means was x to the power 1 by 2 then minus 1. Look at here, look at the power part of the variable. 2x cube, no doubt 3 is a positive integer. 3x square, no doubt 2 is a positive integer. But look at here, x to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a positive integer. ठीक है, 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Okay, so 1 by 2 is a what? Rational number. तो आपका लॉजिक क्या है? द पावर पार्ट ऑफ द वेरिएबल शुड बी ए पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, मीन्स द पावर पार्ट ऑफ द वेरिएबल शुड बी ए होल नंबर. सो 1 by 2 इज नॉट ए होल नंबर. ठीक है, 1 by 2 इज नॉट ए पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, 1 by 2 इज नॉट ए होल नंबर. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव टू से नो, इट इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल. इट इज नॉट ए पॉलिनोमियल. ओके फाइन. No, it is not a polynomial. ठीक है, so like this the selective questions I am doing here. If you have any doubt question number 1, so please like, comment and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt question number 1, any question you have doubt, okay, so please comment me, I'll solve it. Okay, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much, thank you.